Enogie and the entire people of Uhogua community don't come out reject the allegation which Charlse Asemota write to the Edo State House of Assembly. Say Pastor Folunsho, the executive director IDP camp for Uhogua community, say they sponsor nama people and cause katakata for the community, say no be true.
Bridge of peace and breakdown of law and order that one Pastor Folunsho and his cohort. The petitioner has made so many grievous atrocities and issues likely to cause break of law and order in the Uhogua community.
Enogie of Uhogua community, Usagunwero Iduwonyi, talk say they no dey aware of the petition and say wetin dey the petition a lie, and say them and Solomon Folunsho they live together as one and no katakata between them because them they live in peace.
Attention was drawn to the sitting of Edo State House of Assembly on Monday, 31st July 2023, where it was reported that the House received a petition from the Uhogua community by one Charlse Asemota and dated 26 July 2023, entitled "The Sponsoring of Community Crisis, a Threat to Life and Conduct Likely to Cause a Breach of Peace and Order" by one Pastor Solomon Folunsho. Pastor Solomon Folunsho is the executive director, Home for the Needy Foundation operator of the IDP camp here in the Uhogua community. The inmates of the camp have never gotten involved in any act that can be referred to as security threats to our lives and property of the Uhogua community. We have lived together peacefully over the years, with the camp discharging its corporate social responsibility to the community, such as building of the health road, leading to the community, award of scholarship to our brilliant indigenous students, financial and material assistance to widows in the community, amongst others. Myself and elders of the community are not therefore aware of the petition, neither did we authorize it. We call on the Edo State House of Assembly to disregard the said petition as it is business, unfounded, and initiated by those determined to cause trouble and crisis in our community.
Other people will put mouth for the matter now, acting Odionwere, Okeagele, and the eldest woman for the community. Talk say,
I am the acting Odionwere of this village. Something like that is not happening at all. It's not the truth. Everything that they said in the ID camp, because I am the one who bring that man to this village for many years ago. I have never seen anything wrong with him. But anything they form against him is a lie.
We are not even aware what they wrote. We are living here with our family and any problem is not happening here. This community is very peaceful. So Solomon Folunsho is not giving us any problem. We are comfortable with him. There's no Fulani Esme here in Uhogua. There's no kidnapping happened in Uhogua. They are all living fine here.
From Uhogua community, Aweru Swagene Ejo, TMC TV News.